Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to hide following list on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you open up Instagram apps. You can see that your profile icon. Tap on profile icon and tap on three dot icon. Scroll down. You can see that help button. Tap on help and tap on report a problem. And tap on report problem without checking. And tap on include and continue. Now right here, hi Instagram team, I want to hide my following list. Please hide my following list. Regards, Faris. Hi Instagram team, I want to hide my following list. Please hide my following list. Regards Faris. Tap on send button. Okay. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.